Hello, thank you for being in a new video. This time I have the top 3 of the best devices to buy this season in the mid-range. Considering a price from 5,000 to 6,999 Mexican pesos, on screen you see the reference price in dollars. Let's get started. Remember that for each of these devices, I have available the full review in case you want to know them in more detail. Also, prices could vary a lot, but I am mentioning the best I found in several stores and the links I put them in the description. To begin with, Poco X5 Pro, which is currently around 5,000 Mexican pesos. With this device, we will find 256 gigabytes of storage, a 6.67-inch screen, Full HD AMOLED, 108 megapixel main camera with 8 megapixels for the ultra-wide camera, 5 milliamp battery with 67 watts charging. But possibly what I like most about this device is its processor, which is the Snapdragon 778G, which in this price range I don't know if you are going to find anything better. Before continuing with this top, I remind you to go check out the lower price tops, because maybe there you find an even better buy. Next on the list is the Honor Magic 5 Lite, which you can currently find for 5,500 Mexican pesos. Again, in this device, we can find 256 gigabytes of storage, 6.67-inch AMOLED screen, 64 megapixel camera, and ultra-wide 5. The processor is the Snapdragon 695. The battery is 5,100 milliamps, and precisely the battery is the issue that I like most about this device, because it has very good optimization and also has an ultra-reinforced glass. It is not Gorilla Glass, but it is Honor Shield glass. Very resistant. I already tested it, I threw it to the floor, and it holds up very well. At this price, I think it is a very good option, considering it is also a curved screen, which may be more attractive. Finally, I have the Galaxy A54 5G. Currently, it is also around 5,500 Mexican pesos. Although in this case, we are talking about 128 gigabytes of storage. But in exchange, we gain resistance against water and dust. So if you happen to drop it in the water, you have much more assurance that it will survive, in addition to finding a much higher quality photographs than its competitors that I just mentioned. The screen is also AMOLED 6.4 inches. It has a 32 megapixel front camera, and on the back 50 megapixels for the main camera and 12 megapixels for the ultra-wide camera. The battery is also 5,000 milliamps, but since I'm mentioning battery, remember that this device does need you to buy the charger separately. Even so, it seems to me a pretty solid option for those looking for a device that works well, that takes good photos, that resists, and above all, that receives good support, because it will receive many updates in addition to the entire Galaxy ecosystem that surrounds it, with which you can complement your experience. But now it's your turn to tell me if you have another one in your sights under this same price range that you find interesting. Share it in the comments so we can all know what the options are. If you found any of these devices in a specific store at a lower price, also post it down there in the comments. For the moment, we have reached the end of this video. If you liked it, you know you can let us know, and we'll see you next time.